all. Hope you all doing good. Welcome back to Lotus Bangalore YouTube channel. I think everybody will have their favorite season. So me and my plants, we have favorite season is our rainy season. So rainy season is the best time to prune your plants, especially hibiscus and rose, those plants. And if you are planning for repotting, this will be a best season to do that because they will not have too much of stress. And your repotting and propagated plants will be successful. 99% you can see the successful. So in the June July month, this is what we do it. So we prune all our hibiscus. We have I think 55 plus hibiscus plants, small and bigger size as well, I'm included. So every time I divide, I propagate. So in this video you will be showing how we propagated, how did we repot the root bounded hibiscus, and how we propagated, did that propagated plants, baby hibiscus plants were successful or not. All the details will be shared in this video. If you like anything, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and stay connected to my channel. I do videos on gardening, pets and traveling videos. So stay tuned and let's get into this video and see what all we did it and how we did it. If there is any suggestion that you want to share with us, please put up in comment box, or you can ping on Instagram. We can connect and we can speak about it. So this is in July. We identify the plants, hibiscus plants which needs repotting, like root bounded and pruning. So few just needed pruning and few needed really root bounded ones to be taken out, and it should be root trimmed, and we gave few new parts and few we put them into the same pots. So based on the size of the roots and the plant, this all are adult plants. They are with us like 4 years now. So if the plants are with you for 3 to 4 years, then this is advisable to do. But if you got just now from the nursery, please do not do this, seeing this video, because they have still a small ones. When they are in the small ones, you should handle little delicate, you should not be doing this. Just remove the root and put them into a nice fresh soil and new pot. So we are doing this in a rainy season, that too in the evening time, because evening time if you do, they will not be exposed directly to the sun. They will not get any stress. So that's the reason advisable rainy season, and it should be done in the evening. Okay. So we are like this after pruning the roots and all for the extra leaves, the one which is a healthy one, which I can grow a baby plant from. I have them all, and media is all ready, and I have my root hormone on duty. So let's start planting them. We have made ready for our cuttings to be planted in this covers. So this nursery covers I've got from Maidini. I will put up the Maidini video as well in this week. You can watch what all you get it from there, so you can pick it from there. So all these cuttings I've kept, and I'm using root hormone that will help root stem not to be decay, like it will not get spoiled easily because of the fungus. So that's the reason I'm using root hormone. If you don't have root hormone, you can use few they use cinnamon stick powder they use. You can use that, or honey you can use. So this is what I had it long back. I had got it. I keep propagating, multiplying the plants, so I use this. So you can use honey or cinnamon stick powder. So this is the cuttings that we have it. I will plant them, and after 60 days now today how this is also. I'll show this end of the area, so watch till the end to see. There we did had this rat coming to my garden, so they were spoiled few, but still it was not many of damages I could see, like most of it was successful. So this is the food crate what you get it that I've used. On inside that we have kept this all the cuttings. So make sure that wherever you are placing this should not get directly sunlight, and it should not get direct sunlight, and you should not disturb that. Once you put them there, it should sit there for at least 2 months, 2.5 months, until unless you see the small leaves coming out from your cuttings. So that is something you have to make sure wherever you are placing this cuttings. So that's the reason we have put it in a stand. This is customized stand, okay, what we have made it. If you need details of this particular stand also, you can comment me and let me know, because we have not got any stand from outside. Me and my husband customized a few stands, like ideas how you want, what is the length and all stuff we gave, and we got this done. This is done by my brother. So yeah, it was easy for me to communicate. So this is how I have put, like in a cover 4 cuttings I have placed. I've taken out all the leaves, I've cut it down few. I said right, this is how now after 60 days all my hibiscus plants have slowly coming up. You can see some leaves are all coming up. So this is how we can propagate hibiscus plants. I do every year. So this is last year and all I did record it, but I thought I will share you guys the fresh ones which we did in this 2 months. So this is how it looks, and sunlight should not fall directly. We have to you can cover with the cover or poly cover, something where light does not falls directly. Or you can find a spot where you can keep them safely and make sure they can do not get direct sunlight, not direct water, at least for 15 to 20 days. Once you put them, put that cuttings into this cover, after once you see the leaves and all like this, you can let it sunlight little, you can allow little sunlight to come through, and water also. So initial stages are critical. If you take care initial stages, then you will have n number of baby plants. So I had first 30, then 30 became 55. Now I think I will get 10 or 20 more. Few I will give it to my friends and colleagues, few I'll have it. Yeah, this is how you can grow your garden family, your green. You can help your green friend hibiscus. I love them. I will put up how many varieties of hibiscus that I do have, the flowers. You can see if there is something that you are. Almost we have 25 to 30 varieties of hibiscus, big size, small size, the bigger flower, small flower, all those varieties, one layer, so many layers, all there. So we have picked whichever state we traveled, we have got from there. Few like from Karnataka, few from Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, each place it's like a memory for us. So yeah, they differ with the size of the flower, some differ with the colors and type of the leaves as well, and few grow really tall, few are draft and dark variety likewise. So yeah, this is my whole colorful world. There are few hibiscus pictures may be missing, but I'll find and I'll put them on as and when I get in my channel. So yeah, if you want to know how to take care and how to get more flowers from this hibiscus flower, you can comment me and let me know. I can make the detailed video about it. It's been like 3 years I'm not purchasing any flowers from outside, because whatever I grow from my garden, I take it and I use it for puja purpose, and I make hibiscus tea, hibiscus hair oil also. If you want, I can make the video and share with you all. So this is how we propagate our hibiscus plants. If there is any other way that you guys have tried it and you have seen success, comment me, give a suggestion for me, so it will be very helpful for me. So that's it for today's video. Happy gardening, stay positive and keep smiling. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.